Welcome to Acele. Today in this video we will show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies. Let's see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies from the Acele dashboard. At first, log into the Acele and go to the Bot Manager menu of the dashboard, then select the bot account for which you want to create the WhatsApp chatbot, then click on the bot reply. To create a WhatsApp chatbot, just click on the Create button under the bot reply settings instantly. An editing page called Visual Flow Bot Builder canvas will appear. Here on the top left of the canvas you will see a 16 widget components. Also on the top right side of the canvas you will see 4 buttons. However, when you reach the Visual Flow Bot Builder, you will see that the Start Bot Flow component. To give a name and add a trigger keyword on your bot, you have to double-click on it. Instantly a Configure Reference modal will appear on the left side of the canvas. There, give a name in the title field and give a keyword such as hello, hi, start for the conversation to take place in real time between the customer and the chatbot. Also you can assign a label and sequence to the user form here. Once it's done, hit Save button to save it. Now, drag the cursor from the Compose Next message socket of StartBot Flow and drop it onto the canvas. Here you will see several options for choosing any component. Let's say we select the interactive component. Now, to configure it, double-click on it. A Configure text message will appear on the left side of the canvas. Here you will see a message header, message body, and message footer. At the last option, you can set a delay time period in a reply message. We can configure the message without any header or footer, but we must fulfill the message body. You may also choose text or an image from the message header. Now fill up the fields according to your business and click on the Save button to save it. However, you will see the interactive sockets called Next, Buttons, List, Message, E-commerce, etc. In this situation we choose the button socket to create 3 inline buttons, so drag and drop our cursor onto the canvas. Instantly an inline button component will appear. Now, double-click on it and type a name in the button name field, and select the option from drop-down. It may be Send Message, Start a Flow, which means you can connect the Start Other Bot flow when some click on it, or System Default Action, that means unsubscribe, resubscribe, chat with human, chat with robot, etc. Here we select Send Message, then hit the Save button. Similarly, configure the other 2 inline button components. Here, we can select any component of the list. It may be text, audio, video, condition, and so on. However, in this step we choose again an interactive component, so configure it similarly. Similarly, we want to take 3 inline button from the button socket of interactive component. Type a name in the button name field, and select the button type. Here, we select Send Message, then hit the Save button. Similarly, configure the other 2 inline button components. Now, let's add a user input flow component with those button components. And connect all the buttons. Double-click on the user input flow component. Instantly, a modal form will appear. Now select Add New Input Flow in the user input flow field, and give a name in the campaign name field, then hit Save button to save it. Instantly, a new question component will appear. Double-click on that new question component. In the Configure New Question form there are 2 question type. Free keyboard and input multiple choice. Here we select the free keyboard input. Now to configure it, fill up the modal. And click Save button. Then drag our cursor from the Thank You message socket and drop it onto the canvas. Now we have to configure the new final message for customer. We have to select the text component. Double-click on the text component, configure it and save it carefully. Here are 2 existing button components with the similar process. Yes, now you can save the bot by clicking that Save button, which is on the top right side of the canvas. Finally, the bot has been successfully created. So, this is how to create a WhatsApp chatbot based on keyword replies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.